absolutely. Okay, I gave you one topic last day.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah,
know
yeah,
which type
yeah.
topic? Which type was topic?
Uh, why why is money important in our life? Am I right?
Yeah. So explain me about this something. As much do you know? As much you know about this? I want to listen
Yeah,
by your mouth.
I read Google.
Okay.
Why is the important?
Okay.
But Google's and I
Print.
print out.
Yeah, print out. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Read out this. Read out. Read out.
actually, I am not proper learning, so I print out.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's a good. But read out this. Read out on the video. Start reading.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Money is most. Money is not everything.
Okay.
Money is not important everything, but
Mm-hmm.
money is something. Something most important. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
beyond the uh, beyond the basic needs,
Okay.
being needs and achieve goals and dreams. Okay,
Oh yeah. Okay.
money help us help us life goals and sports. Okay,
Okay.
the
Going
thing
ahead.
yeah,
Money
yeah, the
make us
thing
go
we
ahead.
care.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we care.
Mm-hmm. Speak. Yes. Are you hearing you? Am I hearing you?
Hello.
Okay. Start again.
Yeah, money is not everything, but money is most something most important. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
being the basic needs and money help us our dreams achieve dreams and support. Okay,
Okay.
that thing we care about
Mhm.
most deeply, family, education,
Mhm.
and health care,
Okay.
safety and funds. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
money is so important. Money is important because it enables
Mm-hmm.
enables you to have more control our life. Okay,
Okay.
more important to carve out the own path and fewer constraints on your
Mm-hmm.
choice.
Mm-hmm.
Money is important because it means being able to give your children
Okay. Okay.
the best education, the best healthcare, the best
Okay.
start in life. Okay,
Yep. Yep.
so
Next.
next as a example, money is so important, but nothing is special. Ki money is important, but
Mm-hmm.
a small thing, money is so important in our life.
Mm-hmm.
Money
Mm-hmm.
is important, but not dependent. Money is important. Okay, money is important, something important. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Something. But there are many people say without money we can't take food.
yeah.
Okay.
Without money, you can afford. You can afford.
We can't even take food.
Take food. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 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 yeah. Without money,
So how is
uh,
your comment on this?
sorry.
How would you comment? How would you comment on this talk? We can't take food without money. This right or not? This talk.
Yeah, right. Without money, not food. Yeah, right.
Okay, how is it, like, how is this right? Explain me something.
Yeah, because we have no money, so without money, not purchase any
Mhm.
food materials and
Grocery, like grocery
grocery and cooking cooking materials.
items.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Well, some people say without study, without any like items we can do, but without money we can't even go ahead. We can't go ahead. We can't take any new actions. Is it right or not?
Mm, yeah, right.
It's
Without
right.
money, education.
Almost according to
Right.
me, it's right at all. We
Yeah.
can't make a friends. We will never make friends without money. You all friends, all of will not talk to you if you don't have money. First of all, collect the money,
Yeah.
value the money, then money will value us. It's a most important, it's a essential talk for us. It's a mandatory. You will earn money. Somebody will value you. If you not earn money, somebody will never value you. Somebody know, uh, everybody knows without money, and he can't do, he can't even go ahead, he can't even help us. So how can I believe on this, on H, on them, on her, on me? It's not. What is we are conversation a good direction, we can achievement, we are earning good directions,
Yeah.
we are earning good like a perfect working, perfect we value the time, value the money, value the wealth, value the new opportunity. So it's a new opportunities, new life. Money can't let me go ahead, but money will let me go ahead. But we have to value through that's before get money, because there are many people worship the god as Lakshmi. Why?
Yeah.
Money stay always me, money stay always us. So that's why every years, every time, people, there are so many people perceive the Lakshmi. There's a because of money can't go anywhere from me.
Kind of.
It's a good essential, and like essential, it's like a multiple think you are not earning. So many people will think, yeah, he's jobless, he has nothing, how will he achievement his life? He has no bike, he has no cycle, he has no any study level code, study like a education system, he has no codes. Or how will achievement? Somebody will not believe on you. So that we have to value the menu, and many times, and money always steers, always help us. I will respect the value, and the value respect, then money respect is. I will respect the money, then money will respect all other person. That's another person. And the many your friends, many your family, even your family can't value you, you don't have money. So value
Yeah.
the money, and that's why money is so much, so much
Not
important, very
so
well in
much
life.
important. Yeah, you
According
are
to
right.
me, my consider to you,
Yeah,
if you're
yeah.
earning
No,
money,
no, you are right.
your parents teach and value you. Your parents getting value day by day, growing, because my son is earning money too much and help us. That's
Yeah.
why. If you're not earning, your parents will say you are jobless. Don't you have any work? Go and take any job. Then you can earn money than me. Then I will respect you. It's the most important. Without money, no one value you, no one recognize you, somebody will ignore you, always ignore you. He is a jobless boy, he has no money. So if you will respect me, a wealth is health, health is wealth. It's no, it's if you will make a money, somebody will make a value of your life. So that's why money is essential in life. Okay,
Yeah.
start.
Okay.
Needs
Brother, you.
money, money needs every cultures, every new agricultures, farmers, everyone has a money needs. Why? They want
Yeah,
to grow a new life, grow business because of money. If they don't have money, how will grow it till business? It can't happen.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, brother. I I tell you, answer this question, but
Okay.
I am not speaking continue English. I
Absolutely. Okay. Okay.
okay.
Sure.
I want. I tell you answer this question.